Hi, I'm Nathan, a product manager at SolarEdge Critical Power. In this section, I'll show how the SolarEdge UPS power module is designed. This is how the SolarEdge B family power module looks like from the inside. The module was designed to maximize uptime and reliability. Let's see how. The module is divided into two sections, inverter and rectifier, which are fully independent, each with a separate internal controller and separate power supply. These are the ground blind made connectors. They ensure that the power module is grounded before connecting to the input and disconnected last when module is removed. These are the hot swap blind made connectors of the rectifier and the inverter and the batteries, which allow continuous operation while adding or replacing modules. You just need to slide the module in. The power modules are hot swappable and lightweight, allowing single person replacement without special expertise. The power flows through the fuses. These fuses are fast acting and designed to isolate the module in case of a fault and eliminate fault propagation through the other modules. The power continues flowing through the filters and transistors, which are alongside the heatsink, all the way to the DC capacitor bank, which is over here. The air is tunneled to the heatsink in order to reduce dust inside the module. There are two fans for each heatsink, adding resilience. The capacitors, both AC and DC, are carefully selected after rigorous testing. They are designed to withstand extreme use cases such as unbalanced loads and high operating temperatures. Under normal operating conditions, capacitor service life is greater than 10 years. That is the control of the rectifier. This card is the auxiliary power supply, which is uniquely designed to be resilient to neutral faults and 4-pole ATS switching. It is duly fed by a DC bus and the AC grid, providing control continuity of the module. Here is the connection between the rectifier, the inverter, and the battery bank. This is what makes this UPS architecture true online, with no switching elements between the battery to the inverter. The inverter takes its power from the DC capacitors. With the power electronics and filters, it is inverted to a sine wave output voltage. Now we're ready to support the critical loads. This inversion generates heat, which is dissipated by the heatsink and the fans. Here too, there are two fans for each heatsink, adding resilience. The air is tunneled only to the heatsink in order to reduce dust inside the module. The module weighs under 20 kilograms or 44 pounds, allowing a single technician to service the UPS.